we'll show you how Zilliant enables price managers to use Zilliant's pricing tools to strategically update and manage their prices and seamlessly make those prices available in Salesforce CPQ. We'll start here in Salesforce CPQ as a sales rep. I've received a request from my customer, Zill Industries. We'll go ahead and create a new quote for this customer. I'll go ahead and add products to my quote. As a sales rep, I've curated my favorite products that I normally add together. I'll go ahead and add all my favorites. Now that my products are added, right away I see the start target floor discounts for each product. These are the prices I'll start my negotiation with. It's helpful to dive into each line to see the segmentation attributes. These attributes are driving the start target floor being shown here. For this hacksaw frame, region is Southwest, industry is electrical, and customer size is small. My customer is working on a special project and has requested a 20% discount on the hacksaw frames. I'll click into analytics on each item that gives me more detail about the segment guidance. I can see a 20% discount is much lower than most customers are paying for this product in the same segment as Zill Industries. Again, electrical, Southwest, small. Even with that knowledge, maybe I'll go ahead and give the customer a 20% discount. I can see that with the 20% discount, the price quality is below floor and that this is going to require approval from my manager. I'll go ahead with the target discount. I think I'm equipped with the market information to discuss with my customer about getting a 14% discount versus the 20% that they requested. Now let's switch to the pricer's point of view and see how they can influence the pricing in CPQ using Zilliant. When I log into Zilliant, I see a list of my different workbooks. Each of these workbooks help me manage different prices for different situations. For today, we're focused on fine-tuning the optimized prices, but other examples would be managing sales agreements and mass, cost management, or even updating my product hierarchy. I'll open up my segment override and price adjustment workbook. Price Manager gives me the tools to optimize prices and to fine-tune results as I need to. You can see that I have many segment prices, over 86,000. Each of these records below represent a unique price for each segment attribute. I worked with my science team to figure out which segments make the most sense for my business, and I can see them here: product, region, industry, customer spend, and order size. Fine-tuning the optimized prices are helpful to react to triggers within my environment, such as excess inventory that I'm seeing right now in my hacksaw frame category. In this case, I want to increase the discounts I'm offering for my hacksaw frames to incentivize my customers to buy the excess inventory from my warehouses. I'll narrow down this large dataset to only the product category of hacksaw frame. I'll mass update this start override column, and I'll take the optimized start price discount and add an additional 2%. Publishing these prices may trigger an approval process to my manager based on the approval thresholds that were configured. In this case, the changes we made have an automatic approval. Because of the real-time integration, these changes are available immediately. Back on the quote, notice the start discount of the hacksaw frame is 6.8. The pricer has adjusted the discount for this product family. Notice that when I refresh the start discount, it has increased to 8.8%. You may choose to enforce a policy about price consistency within a quote, but the key takeaway here is that the price can change immediately in response to a pricer's update. Let's switch back to the pricer one more time. I want to show you one more update. Because we're looking at prices based on customer, product, quantity, and even time of day, we can use this data to make different types of price updates. For example, let's say I want to offer a promotional discount for a designated amount of time in response to changes in the market. I can enter a new promo discount of 3% on my hardware product category. Zilliant's engine can support more complex pricing with all of these items interacting. Let's look at the Price Simulator tab. I've entered the customer and product from the quote in the simulator. Here you can see how the discounts build up to determine a final price to display in CPQ. Zilliant can provide the entire price build-up to CPQ for informational purposes or just the final prices like we do here. In this case, 11.8, 17, and 20.7. Now that I've added that promotional discount, you can see my star target floor match what we saw in the simulator, 11.8, 17, and 20.7. Hopefully you were able to see how Salesforce CPQ and Zilliant work together to enable price managers to strategically update and manage their prices and seamlessly make those prices available in Salesforce CPQ.